Hi guys, welcome to your own Ritzy vlog channel. Today I will be sharing a wonderful brownie recipe. So let's get started. For making chocolate brownie, here are the ingredients. I have taken half a cup of milk, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of choco chips. This is totally optional. 1 cup of maida, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Here I have taken chocolate compound 150 grams. You can take any chocolates of your choice. 100 grams of butter. I have taken salted. You can also take unsalted one. And vanilla essence. For making brownie, I have used this rectangular tin. I have greased with oil and sprinkled some maida on it. You can also use parchment paper or butter paper on it. Firstly, we will melt chocolate compound. I will melt in microwave. It's very easy. Or you can use double boiler method. While melting, we will add 100 grams of butter. Butter should be at room temperature. So let's meet after melting. See guys, how perfectly chocolate has been melted. You can see the texture. Mix it properly. Now keep it aside, and now we will mix all the dry ingredients. See, I have taken a bowl, added 1 cup of maida and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now I will add half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix them well. Now I will add 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix it properly. After mixing properly, we will add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Mixed well. Now slowly we will add dry mixture into the wet one. Mix properly. Don't add all the dry mixtures at one time. See, I have added all the dry mixtures to it. Now I will slowly add milk to it and combine them well. Guys, I have mixed it properly. No lumps are there. You can see the consistency. Now in this stage, I will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and few choco chips. You can also add walnuts. This is totally optional. Mix them well. Now I will transfer this batter to a cake tin. Guys, I have transferred the batter into the cake tin and also garnished with some choco chips. You can see how tempting the batter is looking. Now it's time for baking. Now I will preheat my oven at 170 degree for 10 minutes. Before keeping into the oven, just tap a little so that all the air bubble can dissolve. Oven has been preheated. Now I will bake it for 25 minutes to 30 minutes. See guys, how beautifully it has been baked. You can see the texture. I will demold this in 10 to 20 minutes. I have taken out from the tin. You can see the texture. See the softness. You can also garnish with chocolate syrup or eat it with ice cream. Now I will cut it into the pieces and decorate with ice cream and some chocolate syrup. See guys how tempting brownie is looking. I have garnished with chocolate sauce and some ice cream and choco chips. You can see the texture. Thank you for watching.